At GROHE, the design process starts with a simple question, why? Why should we do this? What do people need?
GROHE ONDUS is a Latin derivative of the word for wave, and that's where we really drew inspiration. If you look to the crest of a wave, the way it folds back on itself, you can really see this form in our spouts that we've created. It's really looking to nature for inspiration. I think the reason why Ondus has become so incredibly, I would say, popular with architects and designers is because of the freedom it offers. It's an incredibly extensive collection, so it affords architects and designers freedom to create a very consistent aesthetic for the bathroom. And the products themselves, they come with matching accessories. Again, so you can really be consistent. A bathroom should look like it's been created by one person or for one person.
GROHE ONDUS comes in an array of typologies, different spouts, different wall-mounted basin products, across a whole collection, even to matching accessories. So the accessories from traditional, I would say, towel holders to everything to a lifestyle kind of champagne bucket. All the things one might expect from a premium lifestyle collection. We also afford the consumer more choice with this collection. You can actually have this product made in an array of colors, from velvet black, a very soft, tactile black finish, to moon white, very deep high gloss, to frosted titanium, and to, of course, our very consistent starlight chrome. In 2007, the Ondus collection was awarded the very prestigious Red Dot Best of the Best. In fact, the first Red Dot Best of the Best in GROHE's history. It's a concept of having something that's very geometric, very minimalist, but at the same time very sensual, very tactile. It invites interaction. It's looking at I would say, the architectural concept of the bathroom. So when the product's not in use, it looks beautiful, it enhances the environment. But then the sensual element, when you start to use the product and experience the products, they're very human. They're very beautiful to use. We have a consumer-centric process. So we start with information. We try to gather as much information as possible. And we do this with our colleagues throughout the company, from marketing and research, to really ascertain both articulated and unarticulated insights, which will allow us to then take these insights into our process to create better products. So once we have this information, then we start the creative concept phase, where we explore potential answers or solutions to the problems we've uncovered. And that goes all the way through to creating products and working then closely with engineering, bringing in components to give our products some realism, and then into a tangible object where we can quickly test the ergonomy of a product, how it fits and feels in your hand. And that takes us on to a further refinement stage where we produce the final product.
GROHE ONDUS Digitecture is the concept of bringing digital technology and architecture together, fused together as one to create a really simple, holistic concept. And that's allowed us to create really the flattest collection we've ever produced. It protrudes only 4 millimeters from the wall, a simple 4 millimeter glass panel. And this basically makes it really integrated. It feels really part of the building itself. It's a collection that's been created on a simple grid system, a 5 by 5 centimeter grid system, which allows architects and designers and consumers to really plan in advance. This range really affords architects and designers complete creative freedom.
So we've introduced the first power drawer.
And the power drawer allows you to, I would say, have electronic things that people use in their daily lives. Things from shavers to toothbrushes, etc. And to hide those things away. So you still have this beautiful aesthetic, but when you need those things, they're in a power drawer, fully charged. And because we're really pushing this digital revolution, this trend, I think it's really going to transform the bathroom. It's really going to transform the bathroom from this mechanical state into this digital state. And that's fantastic for several reasons. Number one, we can create better experiences, more tailored. We can introduce functions like pause. We can pause water.
So, for example, when you're shampooing your hair, we know today from our consumer studies, consumers are afraid to turn the water off in a regular bathroom because they're concerned they might lose their temperature and flow. With digital, you can simply pause the water. Shampoo your hair, press play, the water comes and you can rinse your hair. And this simple act alone can save hundreds and sometimes thousands of litres per year in the household, depending on the size of the household.
We've actually created technologies that allow consumers to create their perfect definition of the perfect shower or basin mixer or bath, etc.